Hi there.
Hi there.
Alright, so today I'm going to do the unboxing of the summer, I think it's summer office box. And here's Xavier to join me. So I did open this stuff because I am impatient and wanted to, but here's one of the first, well, they're all in random order, but dundermifflin umbrella.
Yeah.
You gonna hold it?
Yeah.
Are you gonna show it off?
Yeah.
So it's got the dundermifflin logo.
Yeah.
And then you want to turn it and show them?
Yeah.
It's got the dundermifflin paper.
Uh-huh.
It's kind of cool. It's pretty useful.
Yeah.
Alright, let's put this one away, okay? Ooh.
I'm fine, right? This again.
Oh, this one?
Yeah, again.
This is awesome. It's the Dwight Schrute tapestry. For when he was manager, this was on his wall.
Whoa.
Whoa. This was the shirt. It says, Ryan started the fire. And it's Dwight
This sounds different.
with the cheesy pita
different
flames.
sandwich.
Alright, what else? What's your next one be?
The sandwich.
This one? Oh, the sandwich?
Yeah.
This is the big tuna lunchbox.
Yeah.
You can see Jim with the tuna sandwich.
Yeah.
This is pretty practical. It's got the line inside to keep things cold.
This.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. This is a speaker. It's just says dundermifflin multi-purpose copy paper, and it's a speaker. It comes with a little USB to plug in your phone.
Yeah.
Is that one cool?
Chicken.
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 Chicken?
Chicken.
Let me see, sweetie.
Okay, Mom. Wow.
Alright, this one's pretty funny.
Yeah. Wow.
It is the Robert California wine glass. It's got a little picture of Robert California. It says, "Do I look like someone who'd waste my own time?" Which is obviously the line he uses when he interviews for the manager job. I think this is the last thing.
Yeah.
It's a notepad with Creed that says "Business Bo Body" from when he was temporarily manager. So I actually really like this box. I thought they had some really cool stuff. I like that it has some useful stuff in it. I like the lunch box, the pad of paper, the wine glass is funny. I think it's a good deal. They have an umbrella. Like, I literally don't have an umbrella right now. So the speaker. So it doesn't seem to have a theme, but it is all pretty useful. So I definitely feel like this one, we got the money's worth out of this one. Oh, there is one more item. Sorry, this is cute too. The Nard dog pin. This is the tattoo that Andy gets tattooed on his butt. It's pretty cute. Alright, so that's it. And I will see you guys next time.
Say bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.